Faith Ann Folk begins our birthday list. Faith Ann, a big happy birthday to you. She turns number 8 in Oswego.
All right, and we've got CHARLEIGH LOWMAN. Oh, that pretty picture there. Looking all serious there. 8 years old in Girard.
TENLEY GARWOOD celebrating number 9. Oh, it was a good week to be at the cool pool there, kiddo. Looks like we got a little competitive swimmer on our hands as well. TENLEY, I want you to know this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and your brother.
All right. ALEXIS, IRSIK, turning 11 years old this year. ALEXIS is celebrating up in Fort Scott.
Now, technically, BRAYDIE Whitworth is still 10, technically. But you know what? Tomorrow she turns 11, and so I want to get this party started early. BRAYDIE, happy birthday to you in Humboldt.
All right, I like that. And in Columbus, turning 18, it's time to celebrate for HAYLEIGH Johnson.
Shelby Johnson, she is turning 27. Great looking family photo right there. Happy birthday to you, Miss Shelby and Girard.
Oh, getting her hands full there. I like that. Happy birthday, Shelby. Levi Lehman is celebrating birthday number 33. I understand he's a Sturgis fan.
Pretty cool.
Levi is in Frontenac.
Jerry Jones, so it's not that Jerry Jones, this Jerry Jones. Jerry's celebrating his 53rd coming up tomorrow. So once again, I've given carte blanche by Tanya to get the birthday started early. So Jerry, have a great weekend in Erie.
Well, if we're going to start Jerry a day early, let's start Kathy a day early too. Kathy Budd turning 72 years old tomorrow. Going to go for a horseback ride a little bit early. She's in Richards.
These two right here, this is awesome. Number one, they're two tremendous people. Just absolutely love them. Number two, look at this milestone. 50 years for Jeff and Cindy Leverens. Jeff and Cindy, you know how much we love you. Congratulations and a very happy anniversary. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Jeff and Cindy are in Pittsburgh.
All right, Larry Vanetta celebrating a birthday in Miami. Happy birthday to you. Craig Musselman turning 62 years old this year. Craig is in Chanute. And Billy Davidson in Chanute as well. We've got a message from your family and friends. Have an amazing day. We love you from your family and friends. Hugs and kisses.
Bob, you know they're going to let me finish it off by wishing you a happy birthday. Our good friend Bob Kimmick in Hepler. Bob, have a great birthday, my man. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to all. Here's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.